we're going to talk about just the whole giant thing of strainers and bowls. I have so many bowls, so many strainers, like this. So,
let me ask a question right off the bat here.
Why do I have so many bowls?
No, that wasn't the question. Okay. The question is, if I was going to purchase 3 things from this pile.
3?
3, just to get started.
Oh.
You're young and you're in an apartment and you don't have room for a lot of things. What are 3 things you need out of this whole stack? I have an opinion on that.
Okay, what's your opinion?
You need one of these. One of these smaller guys.
Okay, so one small one. What else?
I think you need a strainer.
Which one?
This one here.
Okay. You want one of these?
I would actually have a bigger one than that because you want something that you're going to be mixing like a meal in, okay, or a large salad. Like that would be a good size. I think that is a nice starter. A small bowl, like a medium bowl. How big is this, do you think?
4 quart. This is 2 to 3 cups.
Yeah. If you're just starting out, yes, this is what you need.
Look at that. Beautiful. And when you make it to BG level, then you get a stack of these, stack of the medium-sized ones.
Yeah. But like, this is a good size. This one here is a really good size for if you're baking too. Like if you're going to be
making chocolate chip cookies.
Making cookies, making brownies. You can do it all in that bowl. You don't need anything much bigger than that. And the one just slightly bigger than that is also a great one. If you're going to have 4 pieces, I would get that one too.
Yeah, this one, 8 quart.
That is a great bowl.
And then this monster.
This one's enormous, and this is one we only use for basically like stuffing.
12 cup or 12 quart. I would use this for making a giant, like if I needed to make a whole bunch of pancakes.
Yeah, but other people are going to use it, I don't know.
Potato salad.
Ah, that's good.
Potato salad, pasta salad. We needed a giant bowl.
To combine
I don't use this often, but I'm glad that I have it.
Yeah, I agree.
Yep. So these 2, the 8 and the 12 quart, don't use that often, but absolutely need them. Along with those, then, would be different size strainers. I don't know why more people do not, like, I'm sorry, America.
I know
sorry,
why.
America, your kitchen's full of garbage. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 base cabinets with stuff. And 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 drawers. Holds everything in my kitchen. Okay?
And you're wondering why what?
That America is full of junk. Like,
I thought you were going to talk about that. This is I have the hiccups.
Yes.
Wire mesh.
Wire mesh strainer.
Can I say something about this?
Sure.
I think I know why more people don't have these. They're annoying to clean.
That's true.
They're really annoying to clean.
Unless you're in the dishwasher.
Yeah. I mean, well, even before you put it in the dishwasher, you got to really take, what is it called? The little dealy.
The sprayer?
to get it through the holes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get it. Okay, you know what I'm going to say.
I want to know more about this little dealy.
No, just that you have to really clean it before it even goes in the dishwasher.
Yeah. Don't.
What?
I don't care.
I have the hiccups. I'm sorry. All right.
The Sweets has been drinking.
I have not at all.
Just a little bit.
Coffee.
2 cups or 1 cup? 2 cups. Okay. She's hiccuping so much she can't even.
Anyway.
Okay, so. And I have two types of strainers. So I have these type.
That might be too many. I mean, this seems like too many.
This is excessive.
It is.
For most people.
We don't need this many.
But I want to have every single size of strainer.
I'm aware.
There have been times I've cooked that I think I've used every one of them.
We are not normal.
And you hated me.
Yeah, because they all have to go into the dishwasher.
I know. But this is an optimal solution instead of having the plastic with the holes in it, colander.
That's the only one I was aware of.
There's no reason you should have one of those.
I know why people have them though. They're easy to clean. That's why they have them.
I like this style. It's not going to break. This is actually the wire that goes through this is bent through it into the holes. Very strong. You don't have to worry about anything happening to it. You just hate cleaning them.
Yeah, they're annoying to clean.
They're annoying to clean. I accept that. But the thing that you can't do, I can strain whatever I want in these things.
So that would be like hot broth soup.
Yes.
Right? That's what you're thinking.
Or
like if we're doing...
on our chicken stock video, this is what I'm using.
But you also do it for like tomato soup, or if you're doing like lemon, like if you're making like a lemon curd, right?
Yeah, anything. This is the superior option for using it. So these don't have handles. So what I would use is you could set this guy into that kind of thing.
Why would you want handles on a strainer? For what situations?
So for like this. So this one actually has a little bit rounded here, so it actually sits in here. So I can do this where I can strain something into a bigger bowl.
Like soup.
Soup, yeah. So if I was making tomato soup and I wanted to have a and actually there's two types here. So this is a standard mesh, strainer.
And this is double mesh, right?
This is a fine wire mesh. You can see the difference in it. That this has twice as many wires as this guy does.
So
or even more than that.
It's gonna catch more.
Yeah. If you want to have a very fine texture, like if I was making you tomato soup and I wanted none of that skin or any of that stuff to go through it, I'm gonna use
I've seen you do
this along with like a bigger spoon, and you can scrape into it. And so that's how you get a super nice texture on a soup or a puree, like pumpkin puree, things like that we did before. Like that. And actually, if I was... when I'm making stock, I can set this flat guy on here. So this, I can actually run, anything flat against it. And this will strain. It has a larger surface area, so I can strain a bunch of stuff out on this guy. But love this one too.
What would you do that? I can't remember the situations when you've used this before.
This is the one where I'm doing purees and stuff.
Like pumpkin.
I mean, it could be anything. It could be blueberry, strawberry, pumpkin, applesauce. If you wanted anything with a fine texture on it. So this one is a little bit finer than this guy is, but not as fine as that one.
Got it.
And so, the handles would be the situations that I actually want to hang it over the side of a bowl. And then there's two different qualities of these guys. This one, KUKP.
No idea.
No idea. I know that my other ones...
Where'd you get it from?
That must have been online. This one is Culinary Institute of America one.
The CIA.
The CIA.
The other CIA.
The other CIA. The ones that we care about. The only thing I don't like about this one is, and why I bought this guy, is this is riveted.
Does that matter?
It does matter, because this is not going to break. At some point, the weld, these are spot welded on here. At some point, these are probably going to snap. And so now, handle comes off.
Yeah.
I'm just left with a useless basket.
But that's not going to be for like a long time.
So I originally, I had a CIA version of this one
broke.
that was this size and it broke.
Oh, okay. So it has happened in the last 10 years.
It's happened definitely within that. And I don't even use these as much as I would use the other ones.
Right.
So.
Cool.
But, there we go. And I have a couple different brands that I like for different reasons. The original ones that I bought were these, and I don't even know where they came
I
from.
think that was Walmart.
These were definitely not Walmart.
Okay.
I bought them at a restaurant supply company.
Okay.
This might have been Macy's, but I like this brand, this Endurance brand. And then, I mean, the heavy hitter ones are this AMCO brand.
AMCO.
AMCO. Love this company. The reason I like AMCO brand is they were the only ones. These pair of tongs are 20 years old.
Are they really?
They are over 20 years old.
Wow, so it's before you and I met.
Yeah. I bought these in my tiny studio apartment.
Your little tiny
My
kitchen.
little tiny kitchen.
With your half oven.
At that time, even as a 20-year-old,
You knew.
I knew
It was forever.
I had already gone through 3 pairs of these as a 20-year-old because they're all stainless except for the spring that goes inside here. This was the only brand that had a stainless steel spring inside of it, and that's why it has lasted this long. So when we get onto the hand tools, we're going to talk about these some more.
We'll talk about that.
But this is an AMCO brand. You can't even buy these anymore. I don't even know where you could find something like
What's
this.
this planet coming to?
I know. Where the optimal tong design is already gone. So,
Alright.
alright, so this is the BG. Keeping it round this month. Under duress. Next month we'll talk about hand tools.
Woo!
Spoons and spatulas and whisks and tongs and
Everything else.
all that stuff. So, have a great month. See you later.
Thanks for watching today, and join us next month for our favorite measuring tools. Who makes a great measuring spoon? What's our favorite disher? Join us next month to find out. Subscribe to us, check out our website, and we'll see you next time on Our Final Freezer.
So the BG, keeping it square, talking about...
Definitely not keeping it square today with all these round things.
Hello, YouTube. No, cut that. I'm not ever going to do that.
Well, you just did, so.
I'm not. Just please cut that out. So round. I need a square bowl.
I don't think so. I don't think that's a thing. Is it a
I can
thing?
guarantee you there's a square bowl somewhere.